How to see video viewers on TikTok. Quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to see your video viewers on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok app on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. On TikTok, we get likes and views, but we do not see that who actually viewed our videos. How to enable this option? You will go to your profile on TikTok and it will take you here. You have to click on the menu option, which is these three lines at the top right corner. Then you have to select settings and privacy. Here you will get a lot of different options. You have to select privacy. It will take you right here, and now you can see I have different options. You have to scroll all the way down to your interactions. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of TikTok installed. You can see I have the latest version, and I have this option which is post views. So it's off right now. I'm gonna enable this option. Allow people you follow to see that you viewed their post and see which follower viewed yours. Post view history will only be available for 7 days from the post date. Keep that in mind. If you can see who viewed your story, and if that person has enabled this option too, they will also be able to see that you have seen their TikTok video. So I'm gonna enable this option here. Okay, it's done, and now I will be able to see who viewed my TikTok videos. It's super easy to do. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.